Sum number 53. Sum number. A battery of EMF 10 volt, बहुत important sum है ये. The battery of EMF 10 volt is connected as shown in the figure. What is potential difference VA minus V? Potential difference VA minus V. This is 1 ohm, 3 ohm, 3 ohm, 1 ohm, 2, 2. Here there is a battery of 10 volt. We want what is potential difference between A and B. See, if this product of opposite resistance is same, then it will become balanced Wheatstone's bridge. In that case, potential difference will become 0. 1 into 1, is it same as 3 into 3? 1 into 1, 3 into 3, is it same?
No.
That means it is not balanced. If it is not balanced, potential difference will not be 0. I have to find potential difference. Now, if current starts from here, total current, then it will get divided into two parts, I1 and I2, two parts. If I find I1, then I can find potential between P and A is Vp minus Va as I into R1, I1 into R1. Similarly, if I get R2, then current I2 into this resistance R2 will give me potential difference between P and B by Ohm's law. So now my target is to find total current first. To get total current, we require total voltage, total resistance. Total voltage is 10. Total resistance should be simplified and found. What is 1 plus 3? Is it 4?
Yes.
And
Yes.
3 plus 1 also 4?
Yes.
4 and 4 का पैरेलल कितना होगा? 2. 2 equal resistance in parallel, result is half. So 4 and 4 का parallel 2, 2 2 का parallel 1, R1 R2 का parallel product upon sum, product upon sum. दो रेजिस्टेंस रहेगा तो आप शॉर्टकट से कर सकते हो, प्रोडक्ट अपॉन सम. सो 3 and 1 4 and लोअर वाला सर्किट का भी 3 and 1 4. So these are two equal resistance in parallel. 4 4 का parallel is 2. So I get total resistance is 2. Total current I is total voltage upon total resistance, which is 10 upon 2 equals to 5 ampere. This current 5 ampere will get equally divided because resistance are same to same in upper and lower branch. So I1 will be same as I2 will be total current upon 2, which will be 5 upon 2, 2.5 ampere. Now Vp minus Va is I1, this I1 into R1 by Ohm's law. Vp I don't know, Va I don't know, I1 I know 2.5, R1 I know 1. So I get Vp minus Va is 2.5 volt. Let this be equation. Vp minus Va is nothing but 2.5 volt. This much clear? Everybody is understood till this?
Yes.
Yes.
Can you tell me what will be Vp minus Vb? Vp minus Vb will be I2 into R2. Therefore, Vp minus VB is 2.5 into 3, 7.5. Equation 2. Got it? I am interested in V and B and A का relation. So VP उड़ा देना है. So if I add 1 and 2, adding 1 and 2, we get VP minus VA, VP minus VB. This is 2.5. This is 7.5. So this is minus plus minus. तो ये cancel हो गया. Minus VA plus VB equals to minus 5. So changing sign throughout. VA मतलब minus का plus, plus का minus multiplying throughout by minus 1. So VA minus VB equal to 5 volt. बहुत important sum है. कुछ doubt? Yes, any doubt? Hello? Any doubt?
No, sir. No, sir.
This solve. खाली वो प्रोडक्ट सेम हो जाता ना आमने सामने वाला तो मैं सॉल्व नहीं करता, डायरेक्ट बोलता VA माइनस VB इज 0 अगर वो प्रोडक्ट सामने का सेम होता तो. Because when product of opposite arms are same, it becomes balanced Wheatstone's bridge network. Yes, done.
Yes.
Now I'm starting from first sum onwards. When the current I is flowing through a conductor, drift velocity is V. If 2I current is flowing through the same metal having double the area of cross section, then what is drift velocity? So first I'm explaining what is drift velocity, then connecting with the formula. We all know current is defined as rate of flow of charge. This I think we all know from our lower standard. You all know this current is defined as rate of flow of charge.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose I take a conductor whose area of cross section is A, length is L, then can you suggest what will be its volume? This conductor's volume will be what? Area of cross
into L.
A into
Into L.
L. Beautiful. Barabar. Let N be number of electrons per unit volume. N is number of electron per unit volume. So total number of electron will be N upon A into L. That means total number of electron. Can I say NaN? N means number of electron and V is volume. Small n is number of electron per unit volume. Can I write like this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
अभी total charge मतलब number of electron into charge of one electron. Q means total charge, which is number of electron into charge of one electron का value. Therefore, Q equal to N AL into E. Current I will become then NaLe upon time t. What is distance upon time called as? Velocity. So here it is what?
Velocity.
Drift velocity. So I can say I equals to Na drift velocity into this. You can also remember in shortcut. I is V na. Drift velocity V दी उसको मैंने वीना बना दिया. I is वीणा जिसमें V drift velocity है. तो I is वीणा अगर समझ गया तो I is drift velocity ENA. So I1 upon I2 is first drift upon second drift. इलेक्ट्रॉन का चार्ज कैंसल, नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी इन सेम मटेरियल सेम होता है, कैंसल. A is area A1 upon A2 ratio. Any doubt till this? Hello, any doubt?
No.
What
No,
is
sir.
current का formula in drift velocity? याद रखना वीणा. So just copy till this, then I'm putting the values. Drift velocity में current का formula वीणा. I is वीणा. Once you complete, tell, please.
Sir, option C.
Option C, yes. I'm completing further. I'm just substituting the values. Wait. You all have copied till this on the screen, whatever is given?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is first current given? Is it I?
Yes.
I. Second current, 2I.
2i.
First drift velocity, V. First drift velocity, is it V?
Yes, sir.
Second one we want. First area is A. Second area is double, that is 2. I. Dono sides se cancel. That means V2 is same as V. Correct? V2 is same as V. Correct now? So answer C. Second. Next, when current flows through conductor, then order of drift velocity of electron. Please, have you completed first?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
हाँ, अब ये वाला theoretical है. Drift velocity is in the order of drift velocity is in the order of millimeter per second, and random velocity is in the order of 10 raised to 6 meter per second. Write this note properly.
Sir, what is the second line?
Random velocity.
Okay.
Without battery connected, it is in random velocity. Na?
Yes.
So random velocity is 10 raised to 6, but when current starts flowing, battery is connected, then time 1 millimeter per second. 1 millimeter is 10 raised to minus 1 centimeter per second. Therefore,
Yes.
option is D. Can I clear this part? Can I clear this part full?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If 0.1% length is increased due to stretching, then percentage increase in the resistance will be. So, when wire is stretched, ये बहुत फेवरेट सम है, 2-3 बार consecutive year में पूछा है. Wire is stretched, आपको याद रखना है. Volume is same, correct no? Wire को if I stretch, volume will change or it will remain same? Will the volume change or it will remain same?
It will change.
मतलब मैंने अगर एक बड़ा बेस वाला वेसल में 1 लीटर पानी भर दिया और मिल्क भरा, पतला वाला में पानी का 2 लीटर हो जाएगा, आधा लीटर हो जाएगा, 1 ही लीटर रहेगा ना. So when you stretch, volume will remain same. Okay? When we stretch, volume will remain same. एक सेकेंड, जरा एक स्टूडेंट आया, उससे जरा बात कर लेता हूँ. Yes, Trupti, why you are late? Trupti, why you are late? People are matured enough to understand. आप प्रेशर थोड़ी है, आपको खुद समझना चाहिए कैसे करने. इनफैक्ट यू शुड ट्रबल द टीचर आस्किंग सर एक्स्ट्रा लेक्चर रखो हमारा. इधर तो आप लोग को इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं है, ऐसा लगता है. When wire is stretched, then volume is same. So whenever you see the word wire is stretched, then volume is same. You have to always recollect in your brain. Now volume same, then what? Then A1 L1 equals to A2 L2. A1 L1 is same as A2 L2. So I can say A1 upon A2 is L2 by L1. I know resistance is rho L by A, where rho is specific resistance for same material, it is same. L is the length of the wire, A is area of cross section. So for same material, R1 upon R2, rho will get cancelled, will become L1 upon L2 into A2 upon A1. Now R1 upon R2 is L1 upon L2 into A2 upon A1. I have to replace, I can write it as L1 by L2 from equation 1. So I get R1 upon R2 is L1 upon L2 the whole square. So one equation, when wire is stretched, R1 by R2, I can write L1 upon L2 square. So if they say length becomes double, directly I will write R1 upon R2 is L1 upon 2L1 the whole square. Please copy it in this. So whenever wire is stretched, then R1 upon R2 is L1 by L2.
Done, sir.
Okay. So R1 upon R2, L1 upon L2 square. Now, same thing, if I convert length in area, then L1 upon L2 is A1 by A2. So it will become A2 upon A1 square. उल्टा आया, लेंथ L1 अपॉन L2, एरिया का A2 बाई A1 आ जाएगा. अगर रेडियस में दिया है तो A2 मीन्स पाई R2 स्क्वायर अपॉन पाई R1 स्क्वायर रेस टू 2, पाई पाई कैंसल, we'll get R2 upon R1 raised to 4. So whenever wire is stretched, okay, just write this, then I am writing conclusion. Please write 2 more lines.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now, whenever wire is stretched, then only this concept you write, otherwise not. Whenever wire is stretched. So see possibilities. First, R1 upon R2 L1 by L2 square, और अगर बोला है परसेंटेज में लेंथ इज इंक्रीज बाय 1%, 2%, 3%, 4%, तो आप R प्रोपोर्शनल टू L स्क्वायर यूज करना, प्रोवाइडेड परसेंटेज चेंज इन लेंथ इज लेस देन 5%, नहीं तो ये फॉर्मूला यूज करें. Similarly, R1 upon R2 is A2 upon A1 raised to 2. That means R is proportional to A raised to minus 2. Minus 2 means when area increases, R decreases and vice versa. This proportional to power wala use tabhi karna when it is less than 5% given any error. Less than 5%. Then I will be using derivative method. That means power becomes multiplier. R1 upon R2, radius में R2 by R1 raised to 4. So R is proportional to R raised to minus 4. Write this 3 points now. एकदम सिंपल टॉपिक है, लेकिन अगर याद नहीं रहेगा तो you will be confused and you will take longer time to complete the sum. Okay. Now we'll read sum number 3. From this concept, it will become just one liner sum.
Done, sir.
Yeah. Just read that third sum. From PDF, which I had sent on 13th Feb, just read it. Sum number third. If a 0.1%, if 0.1% length is increased due to stretching, then percentage increase in the radius. So 0.1% length is increased due to stretching. So length is increased by 0.1% by stretching. तो मेरे दिमाग में ये फॉर्मूला 3 आ गया. R proportional to L square एम परसेंटेज में है इसलिए, लेस देन 5 है इसलिए. So R will increase by power 2 into 0.1 equals to 0.2%. कितना शॉर्टकट है देखो ये मेथड. मेजरमेंट चैप्टर में एरर में सिखाया था, पावर बिकम्स मल्टीप्लायर. Have you followed this sum? Everybody has understood? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. थोड़ा ध्यान दो, देखो बहुत फटाफट मार्क पड़ेगा। नेक्स्ट वन, करंट ऑफ 0.5 एम्पियर flows in 60-watt lamp. 60-watt lamp मतलब उसका पावर। Then what is total charge flowing through it in 2 hours? 2 hour means 2 into 3600 seconds. Current I is rate of flow of charge. पावर का कुछ भी काम नहीं आएगा इसमें. So charge is IT. I is 0.5 into 3600 into 2. That will become Q equals to 3600 coulomb. So sometimes they may give you extra data. All the data are not necessary to be utilized when it is given. Done?
Yes.
Some number 5. Equivalent resistance of two wire in parallel is 6 upon 5. Equivalent resistance is 6 upon 5. If the resistance of one of the wire is 2, R1 is supposed 2, then what will be R2? So we know two resistance in parallel, answer is product upon sum. So this is 6 upon 5 is 2 into R2 upon 2 plus R2. No need to solve, दिख रहा है मुझे 2 into 3 होएगा ना R2. Then only numerator will become 6, 2 plus 3 will become 5. Okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it's 2. Hello? Mansi, lecture you have not attended? Hello, Mansi? हाँ देवेंद्र वर्मा सर बोल रहा हूँ. देवेंद्र वर्मा सर बोल रहा हूँ। ओके डन। Ohm's law deals with relation between what? Everybody knows Ohm's law deals with relation between these three things, V equal to IR. So current and potential. So, dimension of resistance R will be dimension of resistance. Any quantity's dimension we want, I should know its formula, which is V upon I. Now we know potential is work upon charge into I. Work, I know it is force into displacement. Charge is IT into I. Now I can do the daring of finding dimension because force मैंने याद रखा है. M1 L1 T minus 2. Distance is L1. I is A1 A1 A2. This is T1. So it will become M1 L2 T minus 3 A minus 2. These are dimension of resistance R. M1 L2 T minus 3 A minus 2, that is option. Once you complete, please give me some hint so that I can move ahead. Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
8-1. A battery of EMF 6 volt is connected across combination of 2, 3 and 5 ohm in parallel. The current through them will be in what ratio? Resistance 2, 3, 5 are in parallel. 2 ohm, 3 ohm, 5 ohm are in parallel. We want ratio of current flowing through this. I1, I2, I3 ratio. In parallel, voltage is constant. That means same. So I1 R1 will be same as I2 R2 will be same as I3 R2. So whenever you see any sum, product coming same, and ratio of one quantity is given, and they want second quantity. Then method is find LCM of that quantity. Here it is 2, 3, 5. The LCM will be 2 in 10, 3, 5 का 30 होगा. Okay? All are prime number 30. Then other ratio must be such that product should become 30. 2 into 15 is 30. Hello? 2 into 13 is 15. 30.
Yes.
And 3 into 10, 5 into 6. So answer is 15 is to 10 is to 6. कोई भी चैप्टर होने दो, प्रोडक्ट सेम वाला कॉन्सेप्ट आया, एक रेशियो दिया है, वो रेशियो का एलसीएम निकालो. सेकेंड रेशियो विल बी सच दैट प्रोडक्ट शुड बिकम एलसीएम. अंडरस्टूड कॉन्सेप्ट?
Yes, sir.
Do it.
Done, sir.
Next sum. The VI graph of specimen is as shown in the figure. VI graph is as shown in the figure. Then what is relation between resistance at A and B? What is formula for resistance? V by I, na?
Yes.
But if it is straight line, then that resistance V upon I will become slope. अगर straight wire होगा तो. So slope will be V upon I, which will remain constant. That is R. But अगर curve है, so every point पे the slope will be different. So you have to draw tangent at that point. Tangent at that point to get the slope. Can you suggest me? A का एंगल ज्यादा है टेंजेंट का, क्या B का एंगल ज्यादा होएगा, क्या C वाला टेंजेंट का एंगल ज्यादा होगा?
A का ज्यादा.
A का ज्यादा होएगा, ज्यादा इंक्लिनेशन. एंगल बाय A, angle made by B, angle made by A tangent is greater than B is greater than C. तो ये tangent भी उसका रिलेशन सेम आता है. Tangent of angle here is nothing but slope. Slope is here radius. So RA is greater than RB is greater than RC. Any doubt? Hello, any doubt in the sum?
No, sir.
Copy, please. Done, huh? Sum number 11. The resistance of a wire is 10 ohm. Its length is increased by 10%. अब ये 5 से कम नहीं है तो इसको परसेंटेज मेथड से नहीं कर सकते. Increased by 10 means original plus 10% of original is 110 upon 100 of original. By stretching what they have given. Now what is new resistance? So by stretching आया तो R1 by R2 L1 upon L2 square or proportional to L square. I can't use your proportional वाला because ये 10% से ज्यादा था. So 10 upon R2 is L1 upon 110 upon 100 L1 the whole square. L1 L1 cancel, 0 0 cancel. 10 upon R2 is 10 goes up, 10 square will become 100, 121. Therefore R2 is 121 upon 10, 12.1 ohm. 12.1 ohm is A option. See, two sums we did stretching वाला, but एक मैंने proportional से किया और एक ऐसा ratio से किया. So less than 5% आप. Hello. हाँ मानसी, lecture you are not attending. हाँ lecture you are not attending. Just now your mummy told that you have gone out. Huh? What you are saying? Huh? Mummy told that you have gone out. Arey, when you have cough and fever, you will go out or you will be at home. Okay. Without saying mummy, you went to the doctor. She told me she has gone out. She didn't told gone to doctor. I don't have see any issue, but I think if you are, you have to attend the lecture to get the score. Yeah. Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay. Sum number 11. Following four wires, ये भी important है, बहुत बार आया है exam में. Four wires are made up of same material. If same material, then specific resistance is same. Density also same, Young's modulus also same. But this chapter is of current, so I told specific resistance same. Are at same temperature, which one will have higher electrical resistance? R is rho L by A. So I can say rho L upon area pi r square. They have given length and diameter. I have to check kiska radius zyada. So I can say R is proportional to length. Radius matlab diameter liya to bhi chalega, because ratio of diameter is same as resistance radius. So whichever value will give me L upon D square maximum, I will say R will be maximum of that. So first wala 50 is L, D is 0.5, 0.5 is half, uska square. I'm not converting in meter because ratio है, सबका unit same देखना है अपने को. So if I look carefully, सब में length same unit है, diameter same unit है, तो no need to convert. 5 into 4, 200. D. R next wala. L is 100, D is 1. So this is 100. ये दो में तो एटलीस्ट फर्स्ट वाला ज्यादा दिख रहा है मुझे. अब थर्ड देखता हूं. Length is 200, diameter 2. So 200 upon 4 equals to 50. D. R is length 300 upon 3 ka square. So 300 upon 9. 300 upon 9, 9 3s are 27. So 3 3 recurring हो जाएगा. 27. Remainder will be 3 और आगे भी कर तो 150 upon 3 into 100 upon 9. क्लियर कट दिख रहा है, ये ए वाला ज्यादा है ना. तो
Yes.
yes. Solve now. See, medical entrance will give you admission with your honesty. You should be honest with your work. नहीं समझा, ask teacher 10 times. Phone the teacher 10 times. but don't leave the subject because it is difficult or easy or you are not getting time. You have to be after that. Completed?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. 12th sum. Electric field E, current density J and conductivity sigma. पहले हर एक का मीनिंग बताता हूँ आपको. Electric field is voltage upon length. Current density is current upon area. And conductivity sigma is reciprocal of specific resistance. We want relation between rho, J, E everywhere. So if I start with E, I know E is V by L, and V can be written as IR upon L. R can be written as rho L by area upon this L. Now I got my result. So E is I upon A, which is J, and rho will be 1 upon sigma. Therefore, everywhere it is sigma. Sigma equals to J upon E. Example. J upon E, option B. Everybody has understood again? Hello, any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sifa, any doubt? And Aisha, any doubt anywhere? Okay, please copy.
Done, sir.
Okay. 13th, again, very important sum. Two wires of equal diameter, resistivity rho 1, rho 2, length L1, L2 are joined in series. So two wires, length L1 and length L2, same diameter means same area, are joined together in series. Then what is specific resistance or resistivity of the combination? Resistance in series is is R1 plus R2. R1 means rho 1 L1 upon A plus R2 is rho 2 L2 upon same area, and effective R, when they are joined together, then it will become rho of series. Total length is L1 plus L2. Area is same throughout. So A I can cancel. So now specific resistance of combination is rho 1 L1 plus rho 2 L2 whole upon L1 plus L2. So rho 1 L1 plus rho 2 L2 upon L1 plus L2 is option A. Complete.
Done, sir.
Okay. Next one. Electron with charge 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb moves in orbit with speed of 2.1 into 10 raised to 6. Radius is given. Find equivalent current. What is formula for current? Rate of flow of charge. Correct na? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now, time taken for one oscillation, is it 2 pi, one revolution 2 pi r upon v? Circumference upon speed. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this will become qv upon 2 pi r. Charge is electron, which is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19, and speed is given 2.2 into 10 raised to 6. Pi I can write 22 by 7. Because of this 2.2 I got that idea. And radius of orbit is 5 into 10 raised to minus 11. 22 into 10, 2.2, this will become 22 into 1.1. So 1.6, 7 goes up into minus 20, and this plus 6. Minus 20, 10 raised to plus 6, 2 into 5 is 10, into 10 raised to minus 11. So this will become 112, 1.12 into 10 raised to minus 12, minus 20 plus 6 is minus 14, and plus 10 will become 24. 1.12 into 10 raised to 24. Sorry, क्या mistake हो गई? Q into V upon 2 pi r 10 raised to minus 11 meter QVR. Q is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. So minus 14. Huh? Sorry, minus 14 था मैंने plus 14 minus 14 and 10 minus 4. 1.12 into 10 raised to minus 4. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is 11.2 into 10 raised to minus 4. 1.12 into 10 raised to minus 3 ampere. Option B. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
Try it out.
Done, sir.
15. The current voltage graph for a given metallic wire at two different temperature T1 and T2 is given. T2 is greater than T1 would be in which case? I and V graph is given. T2 is greater than T1 in which case? What is I and V का ग्राफ में I upon V? Slope ना? Y upon X. Is it called slope?
Yes, sir.
But this is 1 upon resistance or not? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Which is nothing but K na? K is called conductance. Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
वापस देखो 1 upon R means slope, but it is called what? Conductance. I think this you know. So slope becomes conductance. Yes, correct.
Yes, sir.
So that means R is 1 upon K, which is 1 upon slope, and we also know resistance is directly proportional to temperature. Resistance is directly proportional to temperature. तो इधर T2 बड़ा, T2 बड़ा मतलब 1 अपॉन स्लोप बड़ा, 1 अपॉन स्लोप बड़ा. एक मिनट पहले आपको इधर तक पूरा समझ में आ गया ये कॉन्सेप्ट इधर तक? फिर से एक बार
Yes,
देखो,
sir.
फिर से एक
Yes,
बार, फिर से एक बार.
हाँ सर, एक बार आप-
I अपॉन V स्लोप, ये बात तो सबको समझा है ना? ये नहीं समझ पाए आप? I अपॉन V स्लोप है.
समझा सर.
अच्छा ठीक है, एक मिनट. हाँ, तो हमको चेक करना है इसमें टेम्परेचर कौन से ग्राफ में बढ़ा है. तो जिसका भी रेजिस्टेंस ज्यादा उसका टेम्परेचर ज्यादा होता है. सो इन दिस केस स्लोप equals to I upon V. So 1 upon slope equals to V upon I equals to resistance. 1 upon slope मतलब resistance, and resistance is directly proportional to temperature. I hope you followed this much.
Yes, sir.
And this is directly proportional to temperature. तो अभी case 1 ये first वाला graph. Can I say here slope of second is greater than slope of first? Angle बड़ा है ना, तो slope बड़ा हो गया. हेलो?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, slope बड़ा हुआ मतलब ये k बड़ा हो गया ना इसका. K2 is greater than K1 हुआ ना.
Yes, sir.
That means R2 is less than R1 ना. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Therefore T2 is less than T1. तो ये wrong हो गया अपना, क्योंकि हमको चाहिए T2 greater than T1. इतना लिखो, फिर B वाले में चेक करते हैं. स्लोप इज 1 अपॉन V इक्वल टू K, लेकिन K का रेसिप्रोकल होता है रेजिस्टेंस. तो स्लोप सेकंड का ज्यादा मतलब K ज्यादा मतलब R2 छोटा, R2 छोटा तो T2 छोटा. So first one cannot be the answer. Complete full. Then second one we'll see. Then third one. Then last one. जिसमें में मिल गया T2 बड़ा वो अपना आंसर है. Okay. Now I will
Sir,
check.
then it will be option C, right?
Pardon?
It will be option C.
We'll check. Wait. Option A तो नहीं. देखते आगे आगे बढ़ रहे, रुको. B. B has got ग्राफ इंटरसेक्टिंग हो गया। In P, it is starting from here. मतलब वोल्टेज जीरो और करंट है, हो सकता है क्या ऐसा? वोल्टेज जीरो और करंट है, ऐसा हो सकता है? हेलो, जब y एक्सिस से स्टार्ट हो गया मतलब x जीरो ना, सो हियर I is some value at v0, पॉसिबल नहीं है, वोल्टेज रहना ही चाहिए, तो दिस पॉसिबल ही नहीं है। वोल्टेज एक बार रह के करंट जीरो हो सकता है ओपन सर्किट में, लेकिन करंट है बिगर वोल्टेज का, ऐसा हुआ तो कभी बिल ही नहीं लगे आएगा ना अपने को। ये T1, ये T2। अभी दिस केस इज एग्जैक्टली उल्टा ऑफ केस ए, सो दिस मस्ट बी द आंसर। आई एम चेकिंग नाउ। हियर स्लोप ऑफ फर्स्ट वन is greater than slope of second. So K1 is greater than K2. Therefore R1 less than R2. So R2 greater than R1. That means T2 is greater than T1 is option C correct. Understood properly? Hello, understood properly?
Yes, sir.
अभी डी में देखो, वो लोग एक ग्राफ इधर से बना रहे हैं, मतलब वोल्टेज जीरो करंट है, ये भी पॉसिबल नहीं है। सो सी इज करेक्ट आंसर। करंट एक बार जीरो हो सकता है, उसको ओपन सर्किट बोलते हैं। वोल्टेज जीरो और करंट जा रहा है, वो शॉर्ट सर्किट होता है, विच इज नॉट पॉसिबल, मतलब वायर उड़ जाएगा। Completed?
Yes, sir.
16. Temperature coefficient of resistance of wire is 0.05 पर डिग्री सेल्सियस। पहले आपको मैं टेम्परेचर कोएफिशिएंट समझा देता हूँ क्या है। रुको। हाँ, कल भी कर सकते हो आप। हाँ चलेगा, कल मैं आपको पैसा दे दूंगा। मंडे 10:30 के बाद चलेगा ना आपको? अच्छा ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं। नहीं अभी तो कैसा ऑनलाइन चल रहा है ना, तो क्लास खाली होगा, तो आप मंडे कोई भी टाइम पे कर सकते हैं। 10:30 से मतलब 10:30 तक। See, the temperature coefficient of wire, अभी पहले temperature coefficient of resistance क्या होता है वो बता देता हूँ। When you heat a metal, what will happen? It will expand or contract? Hello?
Expand.
Expand.
Expand, correct. अगर मेटल बढ़ गया मतलब रेजिस्टेंस बढ़ेगा ना, बिकॉज इट इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू लेंथ।
Yes.
So temperature dependence of resistance in case of metal, I can say higher temperature पे resistance will be more as compared to lower temperature RC. So experimentally it is found increase in resistance is directly proportional to original resistance and change in temperature. This is then increase is equal to some constant into R0 into delta T, where alpha is a constant called as temperature coefficient of resistance. So here alpha is called coefficient, temperature coefficient of resistance, which we can now write RT minus R0 upon R0 delta T. The same thing I can also write as change in resistance with respect to temperature. तो ये RT minus R0 एक derivative form में हो गया 1 upon R0. So if R is given in terms of temperature formula wise, then you can take this formula. Value दिया रहेगा तो ये. Please copy full this much. Ratio of change in resistance to the original into rise in temperature is called temperature coefficient. Done? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. One more line, then I'm starting with the sum. We got alpha as RT minus R0 upon R0 delta T. So I can say RT minus R0. ये same आपको coefficient of linear expansion in thermal expansion chapter में length के लिए मिलेगा. So RT will be R0 plus alpha R0 delta T. Therefore RT is R0 1 plus alpha delta T. So resistance at any higher temperature is resistance at 0 degree into 1 plus alpha delta T. Now I am reading that sum number 16. Temperature coefficient means alpha is 0.00125 per degree Celsius. At 300 Kelvin, अभी इधर ही सब कुछ है कालाकारी. This is in Celsius, this is in Kelvin. Convert this into Celsius. 300 Kelvin is how many Celsius? Minus 273 I should do. Correct now? So 27 degrees Celsius. That time resistance is 1 ohm. Then resistance of wire will be 2 ohm at what temperature? This is the question. Resistance of wire will be 2 ohm at what temperature? I know RT is R0 1 plus alpha delta T. 0 डिग्री का नहीं दिया है, 27 डिग्री का दिया है और T2 पूछा है. So this is R1 upon R2, R0 cancel, 1 plus alpha T1, 1 plus alpha T2. That is 1 by 2 is 1 plus alpha into 27, 1 plus alpha T2 we have to calculate. So I'm cross multiplying. 1 plus alpha T2 is 1 into 2 is 2 plus 54 alpha. Any doubt till this? Any doubt till this?
No, sir.
Okay, so alpha T2 will become 2 plus 54 alpha minus 1. Alpha T2 is 1 plus 54 alpha. T2 is 1 upon alpha plus 54 alpha upon alpha, alpha alpha cancel. So T2 equals to 1 upon 125 into 10 raised to कितना है 1 2 3 4 5 10 raised to minus 5 plus 54. So 1 2 3 4 5 upon 125 plus 54. 25 into 5 125 ये 4000 हो गया. So it will become 800 plus 54 equals to 854 in Celsius. So in Kelvin, it will be 854 plus 273 to convert into Kelvin. So 7, 12, 1127 Kelvin is the required answer. Only chance of mistake you will keep in same unit and get the result wrong. So alpha और temperature का unit same रहना चाहिए while simplifying, while solving. Complete the sum. One one two seven option D. Yes, completed full.
Yes, sir.